Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical topic, especially for seniors who are concerned about safeguarding the value of their hard-earned savings during times of inflation. 3 strategies to protect your money from losing value. Inflation, like an invisible force, is silently eroding the purchasing power of the money you've spent a lifetime accumulating. Have you ever felt anxious watching the prices of groceries, healthcare, or daily essentials skyrocket while your savings or pension seem to lag behind? If that resonates with you, this content is tailor-made for you. We're going to share practical, actionable strategies to not only protect but also grow the value of your assets, ensuring a comfortable and secure life in your golden years. Inflation is a familiar concept, but for seniors, it poses a unique threat. As prices rise, the fixed income from pensions, savings, or social benefits may no longer stretch as far. But don't worry. With the right strategies, you can overcome this challenge. Let's explore 3 specific strategies designed to help you protect your wealth, maintain your purchasing power, and live confidently despite inflation. Why inflation hits seniors hard. Before we dive into the strategies, let's understand why inflation is such a significant concern for seniors. In retirement, most of your income likely comes from fixed sources like pensions, savings, or Social Security. However, inflation drives up the cost of goods and services, everything from food and medicine to housing. This means the money you have today will buy less in the future. For example, at a 5% annual inflation rate, the real value of 1 million VND today would shrink to about 773,000 VND in just 5 years. For seniors relying on fixed savings, this is a serious issue. Moreover, healthcare costs, one of the largest expenses for seniors, often rise faster than general inflation. Studies show that medical expenses in many countries increase by 6 to 8% annually, outpacing the growth of pensions or benefits. This raises a critical question. How can you protect your wealth from inflation? How can you ensure your money retains its value so you can enjoy life without financial stress? Let's explore the 3 strategies now. Strategy 1. Invest in inflation-protecting assets. To shield your money from inflation, you need to ensure it doesn't just sit idle but grows at least as fast as, or faster than, inflation. One of the most effective ways to do this is by investing in assets that are designed to combat inflation. For seniors, investments need to balance growth with safety and stability. Here are some suitable options. Inflation-protected bonds. Inflation-protected bonds, such as Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, in the US or similar products in other countries, are a safe choice. These bonds are designed to adjust their principal value based on inflation rates, ensuring your money retains its purchasing power. The interest rates on these bonds are often modest, but their strength lies in their inflation protection. For instance, if you invest 10 million VND in an inflation-protected bond and inflation rises by 3% in a year, the bond's principal would increase to 10.3 million VND, plus interest. Real estate. Real estate is a classic inflation hedge. Property values typically rise with inflation, and if you own rental properties, the income from rent can also increase over time. For seniors, investing in real estate doesn't necessarily mean buying new properties. Consider real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without managing properties directly. REITs often pay consistent dividends, providing a steady income stream ideal for retirees. Dividend-paying stocks. Stocks of large, stable companies that pay regular dividends are another solid option. Companies in sectors like consumer staples, healthcare, or utilities tend to perform well during inflationary periods because demand for their products remains steady. When choosing stocks, prioritize companies with a history of increasing dividends annually, as this helps you maintain purchasing power against inflation. Investing always carries some risk, so for seniors, safety is key. Diversify your portfolio and consult with a professional financial advisor to minimize risks. Avoid putting all your money into a single asset class. Instead, spread it across different options to ensure stability. Strategy 2. Optimize your budget and spending. Beyond investing to protect your wealth, managing your spending wisely is another critical strategy to keep your money's value intact. Inflation increases the cost of living, but you can mitigate its impact by optimizing your budget and focusing on essential expenses. Build an inflation-proof budget. Start by reviewing your current budget. List all your monthly expenses, from utilities and groceries to healthcare costs. Then, identify areas where you can cut back or adjust. For example, consider switching to more affordable healthcare services, buying seasonal produce to save on groceries, or negotiating better rates with service providers. A key tip is to create an inflation reserve fund. Each month, set aside a small portion of your income into a separate savings account dedicated to covering unexpected cost increases due to inflation. This ensures you're not caught off guard when prices spike. Leverage support programs. Seniors often qualify for government or community programs, such as discounts on medications, healthcare subsidies, or energy assistance. Take the time to research and enroll in these programs. In Vietnam, for instance, some localities offer support for seniors with basic living expenses. These savings can help offset the impact of inflation. Shop smart. When shopping, take advantage of promotions, buy in bulk, or opt for affordable yet high-quality brands. Additionally, consider adjusting your habits, such as cooking at home instead of dining out or using online tools to compare prices before purchasing. By controlling your spending and capitalizing on savings opportunities, you can reduce the financial strain caused by inflation and preserve the real value of your money. Strategy 3. Generate supplemental income. Another powerful way to combat inflation is to create additional income streams, even in retirement. This doesn't mean returning to a full-time job, but finding simple, manageable ways to boost your income that suit your health and schedule. Small businesses or freelancing. If you have a particular skill or hobby, consider turning it into a source of income. For example, if you're skilled at cooking, you could sell homemade dishes. If you have expertise in a specific field, you could offer consulting, tutoring, or freelance writing services. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or local community groups can be great places to start. Rent out assets. If you own assets like real estate or a car, consider renting them out to generate passive income. For instance, renting out a room in your home or a piece of unused land can provide a steady cash flow with minimal effort. Invest in new skills. No matter your age, learning a new skill can open up income opportunities. For example, mastering online selling or taking short courses in high-demand fields can be lucrative. These skills not only help you earn extra money but also keep your mind active and engaged. Creating supplemental income not only offsets inflation but also brings a sense of financial independence and fulfillment. The key is to choose activities that align with your health and interests for long-term sustainability. Conclusion: take action today to secure your future. Inflation is an unavoidable challenge, but with the right strategies, you can protect your wealth and live a comfortable, worry-free life. Remember, investing in inflation-protecting assets helps your money grow, smart budgeting saves you money, and generating supplemental income provides financial flexibility. All of these are within your reach. You just need to take the first step today. Start small. Review your budget, explore inflation-protected bonds, or try a small freelance gig. Every step, no matter how modest, is a move toward securing your financial future. Thank you for watching until the end. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to apply it in your life. Your insights mean a lot to us, so don't hesitate to share. Reading your comments gives us immense motivation and encouragement. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to inform and inspire you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.